Okay, so this one, we got a new equation. This takes us back. This is an absolute value, and the absolute value is the distance from x. Distance is always positive, so whatever I put in for x is going to come out of that absolute value as a positive. Okay, well, they've given us some values to use right here, and one of them, well, it should be the tip. You'll see. But we got to go back to the equation, right? So the equation, we got y equals the absolute value of x. Sorry, that's kind of small. That's a little bit bigger. And the first value they give us is x is 2, so I replace the x with 2. Now you can't put absolute values in these calculators, so I'm going to have to show some work. The absolute value of 2 is 2. It's 2 away from 0. And then I got 2 minus 5. Then finally y equals negative 3. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So we got this ordered pair, negative 2, 3. Then we got the same equation, y equals absolute value of x minus 5. But now the x value is 0. So how far is 0 from 0? It's 0. So we got 0 minus 5, and we get y equals negative 5. I will finish it just because it's going fairly quickly. But y equals, the next one, y equals the absolute value of x minus 5. But this next one, it says that the x value is 7. How far is 7 from 0? It's 7. So I got now 7 minus 5, which is 2. So that is the ordered pair 7, 2. And then the last one that they give us, you know, y equals the absolute value of x minus 5. But now x is 9. The absolute value of 9 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we get the ordered pair 9, 4. So we got this, let's see these points here. We got negative 2, negative 3 right here. We got 0, negative 5 here. Then we got 7, 2 here. And then 9, 4, 9, 4 right here. What this is doing, and I'll use some technology so it looks pretty, but it should look something like this. And like I was saying, this is the tip, meaning that's the smallest value we should be able to find on this. Again, there's more purpose or reasons for that, but just for the sake of time, I'm going to have to skip it. So I hit all the points, and I'll put the markers on there, the arrows. Absolute values look like a V like this. If there's a negative in front of that absolute value, it's going to flip it, and then the V would just be inverted this way. So, but it has that same V shape. It's just shifted in some way, shifted or rotated or reflected. And that's a good point. If you need more values to really see what's happening, what I would probably do on this one is I see I got negative 2, 0. I would probably go up to 2 and see what happens. And then you would see that it would, in fact, go through this point right here. And, of course, you could find all these other points. All right, well, that's okay. But, again, once you see that pattern, you'll see that it goes down and then it shifts, and then it's a straight line. So that's the nice thing about these absolute values. It's straight until it shifts, and then it's straight again, just in a different direction. But just like the parabolas, it is a reflection. It's got this line of symmetry right here. It's practically a reflection over that line.